Hey, Rod and Pat. My name's Corey. Donna told me to send the screencast over to you real quick. So I'm actually going to go over three free tips for yourselves. Three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So going over the first thing, content, really being in a position, really being authoric in what you do and how you do it. Excuse me. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can lay your keywords. Those keywords are what you're actually trying to be found for. So I would actually bring your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Also, these images, what they're saved as, you got download one back there. You can actually switch those out to some keywords. That's just going to make a huge difference with your rankings. Now, if I go inside of Google and type in heating repair Panama City, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. These are actually brand new. They came up with these because those old school ads came very spammy. So these Google guarantees supposed to help block out some of those spam phone calls. I don't know if you're running ads or not, but I'll see here in a minute. I know they do get pretty pricey. I've seen ads anywhere from 30 to 140 bucks, depending on the locations and different industries. But imagine paying a decent price and paying every time somebody clicks on it and them not buying a service. It does get pretty pricey at the end of the day. Ad blockers did come out in 2020 as well, so a lot of ads aren't even going through too. But anyway, underneath those ads, we have this little map section. Now, to get the rankings here in this map section is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic rankings. This is the first page of Google, and really to get on that first page and those top rankings, going to deal with that authoritative content being found from those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, if I just take your URL and stick inside of Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got 51 referring domains, which is pushing back 186 backlinks. Looks like you've had 677 historically. You started this thing back in 2015 or so. You got 159 keywords that you're being found for. You got 14 clicks to your website every month on average. Now, really seeing where those 14 clicks are coming from, you got AC filter types of AC filters, how to fix water dripping from AC vent. There's a lot of words that you're being found for, but here we go. So I was looking for these buyer's intent keywords here. Air conditioning Panama City. There's 100 clicks every month. You're 42nd position, so you're not getting any traffic from that. Air conditioning filter types. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is a Ridge AC. Kind of pop them into Ahrefs real quick. So this shows their position. They have a lot of first, second, a few fourths and thirds in there as well. And also they got other positions. But showing you these keywords here, what they're actually ranking for is really good. So like 27 clicks out of 70 for air conditioning Panama City FL. Really good buyer's intent keyword there. So they're getting 70 clicks, there's 70 clicks for that one keyword, and they're getting 27 of them. AC repair Panama City FL, another 100 clicks every month. You want to be in a good position so you actually get more traffic. That should actually be a lot more than 10. They're only fourth position, so they 10% on fourth position is actually pretty decent. But anyway, really coming in and finding these keywords that's just really going to help drive more quality traffic to your site to help you close more deals really is the goal there. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and want a free custom game plan to help you get there, feel free to reach back out or just leave me a review on how I did, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.